Hi, kids.
Hi, Tom.
Let's sing a little.
I walk around the town, keep it to myself, conceiving new thoughts to sustain my wealth. Keep my eyes open wide, my ears pierced with sound. I'm searching for a beat like a hungry rhyming hound, cause I'm potent and vicious and the most pressing. Sustain any strain, keep you all guessing. I'm a voyager for rhythm, a pirate for a pirate. My voice is the vessel, now my mind must climb to a much higher plane. That's my domain, devastating, fascinating. All but no strain to be liable to reason. A victim of sin, wise up to the season. And don't be dense, been rhyming for years. And now the time, not 2, 3, 4, 5 years, but 9. To brag is not my bag, but I must say this. You can say just ice or say just this. Talk junk or sound displeased, but your crew is the lettuce, boy, you're the cheese. Got a knack for being rude, I love to diss, that's why I'm not nice. And call service is just ice, that's right. I'm rocking along with my man KRS. When you put the record back on, be alert, you jerks. Do you hear what I meant? The consequences non-lenient, very intense, captivate and control your very body and soul. Don't dare stop me now, I'm on the road, giving credit to the man who beats the best. BDP Blast Master KRS. He's the master of the beat, the wizard of machine, connoisseur of a rhythm with sound that's keen, combined with just destined to create the crew of the year 1988. In fact, it's like that, cause it's right and exact. Monstrosity of force, with power that's packed to destroy or disperse or even invert. But the bottom line is this, that you're gonna get hurt. Don't get in our way, you better watch your step. Just Ice and KRS got big respect. So for all of the people who are not sure, sir, this is just Ice, is back for more. Devastating force when it comes to a rhyme, and if you never bear witness, now is the time. Your eyes will listen, your ears better listen. Chastisement now for everybody I'm dissing. For other MCs, yes, I wrote this. If you can't see well, then hear this notice. Now if you wanna battle me, you better take heed. We're raising sharp rhymes that will make you bleed. Extra betting, double debting, you find hard to pay off. So regret the deficit. This was going to cost you much more than a little off you. Cause now you've been off more than you can chew. Tantalize the style, take your mind on tour. Watch just Ice Services, rock rhymes galore. Reinforcing my rule, and I'm ready to do with another sucker MC who wanna play the fool. Gotta be crazy, mentally unstable. Battle me on the mic, my man on the tables. You can never be smart and intelligent. Brainiac instead, Joe stupid, crazy maniac. This rapper dedicated to them, all dirty MCs. It's like me like flip, waste time on people who should be neglected. Make themselves look bad on a 12-inch record. All sucker MCs, your fate is at hand. Don't ever let me see your butt in a jam. We don't like each other, but it's plain to see it's gonna take all your